Hey everyone, seeing the service not activated on network error on your Aldi mobile? Don't worry, in this video, I'll guide you through simple fixes to get your service up and running again. Let's get started. Restart your phone or manually select the network in settings. For porting numbers, wait 24 to 48 hours and keep your old SIM active until the transfer complete. If delay persists, there might be an issue with the ID verification. Retry activation or contact Aldi Mobile support for assistance. Why Aldi Mobile reset password not working? SIM activation is delayed due to carrier issues, which can take up to 7 to 10 days in rare cases. Incorrect or incomplete ID verification during activation. Porting an existing number is still in progress 24 to 48 hours. Phone settings are not configured to connect to the correct network using a locked or incompatible device with the Alti mobile network. Fix 1. Check device's compatibility. Your device should be carrier unlocked and compatible to use Aldi mobile network. If your device is locked to current carrier, you need to contact respective customer to unlock the device. For iOS, go to settings, then general, about, and look for carrier lock. If it says no SIM restrictions, your iPhone is unlocked. For Android, go to settings, then connections, then go to mobile network, then go to network operator, then turn off select automatically. If multiple carrier names appear, your phone is unlocked. Fix to check for VoLTE feature. If you are using an older devices, it may be incompatible with Aldi's mobile updated 4G or 5G network due to the Telstra 3G shutdown. Upgrade to a 4G VoLTE capable device if necessary. For iOS, go to settings and mobile data, then go to mobile data options, go to voice and data. If you see 4G or LTE selected, your device is 4G compatible and VoLTE compatible. For Android, go to settings, then network and internet, then go to mobile network and check under preferred network type or network mode for options like 4G or LTE. If available, your device supports 4G and VoLTE. Fix 3. Restart your phone. Restarting your phone forces it to re-register with the network when you turn it back on. On iOS, press and hold the power button along with the volume up or a down button until the slide to power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off the phone, wait a few seconds, and then press and hold the power button to turn it back on. On Android, press and hold the power button or volume button, tap power off and wait for a few seconds, then press and hold the power button again to restart the device. Fix 4. Wait for processing. If you have requested a new mobile number, activation usually takes about 1 hour but can extend to 4 hours or in a rare cases up to 7 to 10 days due to carrier delays. For transferring an existing number, the process typically takes 24 to 48 hours and follows porting hours Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., Saturday 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Keep your old SIM in your phone until it stops working, as this indicates the porting process is complete with a brief service loss of around 2 hours being normal. You will receive an SMS and email confirming activation. Insert your RD SIM into your phone and wait for this notification before using the service. Fix 5. Manually register on network. Manually network registration resolve activation issues by forcing the device to connect directly to the correct carrier network, bypassing potential automatic selection errors. For iOS, open settings and go to mobile data or cellular. Tap network selection and toggle off automatic. Wait for the list of network to load, then select your Telestra manually. Restart your device after selecting the network. For Android, open settings and go to connections on network and internet. Tap mobile networks, then select network operator. Turn off select automatically, wait for available networks to load and choose your Telestra manually. Fix 6. Ensure correct ID details. Double check that the detail you provide during activation, example name, date of birth, address, exactly match those on your Australian driver's license, Medicare card, or passport. Any mismatch will result in a failed verification. If electronic verification fails, Aldi Mobile use a secondary method to confirm your identity by verifying an active financial institution account. Ensure you provide valid details for a credit or debit card. Prepaid cards are not accepted. Fix 7. Retry activation. Your order might be suspended due to failed identity verification. Revisit the Aldi mobile activation page and ensure all information is accurate before resubmitting. Enter activation code for SIM kit. Select your number type under keeping your number, no new number, or yes, keep my number. If you are porting your number, select yes, keep my number. You need to provide required details such as current provider name and mobile number. Follow on screen instructions to activate the SIM. Double check the identity details and payment twice before submitting it. Contact Aldi Mobile. If issue persists, contact Aldi Mobile Support for further assistance. Call 2534 ALDI for free from your Aldi mobile phone. If you are trying to port your number, you can dial 1300989000 within Australia or 613922355590 from overseas. Standard rates may apply.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.